trying bag. You wait. Come here. Come here. Ay, nako. Come here. Come here, bag. Ayan. Come here, bag. Come here, bag. Look at the fish. Oh, you mad. Are you still sleepy, little man? Hi, guys. Good morning. Oh my God, Hubs went crazy. Why are you crying? Come over here. Stop crying. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, guys. It's 10 o'clock. I just finished editing the video because, you know, if you remember 2 days, I don't have my laptop on with me. And I ponytail my hair a little bit because halfway, like, wak na to, guys. Yeah, I kind of just, oh, where are you going, Dimple? No, are you gonna follow me? No, you're going to follow me, my love? Are you going to follow? You cannot go upstairs, you know. You're not allowed up there. You did bad things over there, so you're the only one that cannot. Cannot. Anyway, guys, I'm just going to change pajama. I'm going to wear shirts because I'm gonna be in the garage painting. Oh, Dimples, no. You make mama sad, baby. No, you make mama sad. You cannot come up here, baby. You cannot come up here, my love. You cannot. Hi, Rook. Where's Dimple? Hi, Dimp. Where are you running? Why are you running? Where are you running? Why are you running away from me? Oh. I came here in the basement to get this. Cleaning thing. You know, Tommy always have a lot of, but you know, like cloth for cleaning cars, and he has extra here. So, hi, Hubs. Okay, let's go up, Hubs. This is what we got. Okay, we got. Oh, how many colors? 2. This is oh no, I don't even know which. This box right here, I put this all together from when I was painting the whole house inside. So I was kind of like put everything here. And the drawer is the same color, the same with the body of the drawer, the same with this. So this is what is gonna be different. So I decided, guys, not to paint the inside because I want to maintain the white, I want to maintain the wood look, the inside part. But because I don't want to, I don't want to paint inside. Whatever the furniture, when I painted, whatever the area has painted, that's where I'm gonna follow. I'm not gonna doing all the furniture, like painted the whole thing. Anyway, guys, nothing much is going on today. I'm just gonna continue this one because I pour paint already, so I don't wanna stop. And so yeah, I will see you later with my puppy. Now puppy. Yes, baby. Yes, so happy. Oh, Misty, oh my butt, Misty. Oh, Misty. Time check. It is 5:18. I'll be right back, Lobet. The cloud right there, and the cloud over there. That was dark over there, and the wind just blew it going that way over here. And I had sprinkles original. We had this for like 2 years, 1 year already, and I brought it here. It's been in the basement from the other house, and then we end up not eating it, so I brought it here. So I decided to have snacks with water, with tissue, and then my phone, obviously. I'm almost done. This one right here is so dry, guys, that I don't even get it. This only area here. Okay, let's go, Pepe. Let's go. Come here. Look, the raspberry, guys. Sobrang dami, guys. As in, look. Sobrang dami niya. Look, tignan. Oh, dami. Hold on. Kailangan. Tumawag yung asawa ko. Hello. And I'm happy with the result. It's not perfect, but there is some dent and something, I cannot do anything about it like this. I cannot do anything. I know there is a wood filler, but I no time for that, guys. This is just for the house. Look at that. Why you're jumping and you're sliding? Why? Puncho, ang puncha. Ang punchulo, ang punchulo. Ang panchala, ang panchala, ang panchala. You're so happy. You wanna go out? Let's go out. Come here. Let's go. Come here. Let's go out. Let's go out. You guys are crazy. He's still doing the same thing what he usually does in the other house. Knock that thing down. And I'm worried about his mouth, guys, because if you... No, don't worry. I'm not gonna hurt you because you did something wrong. I need to clean this again. Ay, nako. Come here. Come here. I love you so much and I'm worried right now. Come here. I'm worried about my little man. Let me see your mouth. Okay, you don't want it. Okay. So I decided I'm just going to make some dried fish. I think what I have here is not... It's still the same thing what my friend gave me. The dilis, guys. Yung dilis. I think I have a little bit left. So yun na lang ang anuhin ko. Tignan natin kung meron pa ba or nagde-dream lang ako. Nag-imahinas yun lang. Oh, dilis. I still have dilis and dilis at saka two how do you call that? Squid. The dog doesn't even go out. I'm gonna call Tommy and tell Tommy about what happened to Hub's mouth, that it's getting worse. And the other night, I look at it. Why did you hear that, guys? What's wrong with you? We don't want him suffered. We love him so much that it's just heartbreaking. heartbreaking, guys. And I'm gonna ask Tommy to what to do, because this is not gonna end. He has that never-ending thing, that allergic thing, and I have a problem so with this thing. Mine, oh look. So what I'm having right now is the dailies, guys, with the silly. If you see my Instagram, you see this one. And vegetables I have right here is the Brussels sprouts. Okay, so I'm gonna use my finger, and with I really love the Brussels sprouts. Oh my god, it's so spicy. So good, guys. I cannot see anything. It's so good. Oh my god. I feel like I'm in the Philippines every day here. Every time I eat Filipino food here, I feel like I'm in the Philippines. The only thing that I want here is the kinilaw. Hi guys. I look like crap. Anyway, it's time for me to close all the freaking window. Good night, guys. Good night. I'm just going to end this vlog now, because I'm going to edit the video and then close my eyes. Eventually, I know I'm not able to finish this vlog tonight, but I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next. I will see you guys tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys. Bye bye.